nasty day, Fish. Ever get windows that just, don't hold the heat, that the wind just goes through? And these are not old windows. These are not fairly new, but they're not casements. And they got double pane glass. They're not single pane glass. So what I'm doing, I'm going to Lowe's, not Home Depot. I gotta get some plexiglass. I gotta get some wood. Now I'm making my own second window from the inside. I thought that stopped. They're back again. I should go wait online like everybody else. Get my fair share. Hey, I'm Fish. I'm shooting with today a GoPro Hero camera, and that is the 10. I got no shame saying I got a 10 because I don't want to get 11 today, but tomorrow I may pick one up. Tomorrow doesn't mean tomorrow exactly. Oh man, guess what I forgot? I forgot my parts list. I'm old school. I write things down. I think I got a good memory. I gotta get wood, plexi, insulation, and maybe some screws. It looks like sand trucks pouring sand. A plexiglass cutter, and I know a couple other things. But I'm gonna make another trip because I gotta do another window, and that's what we do. We do our best. Oh, we're here at Lowe's. We'll move along where we need to be at. I got my cart. Anti-fog, whatever, man. These glasses just suck when they get wet inside and everything. I got everything I needed. I forgot my glasses. I forgot my list. I forgot everything, man. Everything's at home. All right. I got most of the stuff. I could get started. I know I have to get back with fasteners and maybe 3M self-adhesive insulation behind it so I can seal it up. First, let's get started. Inside, all the aisles I went down, they were closed. They were closing them off and storing things in there and doing this and that. They could be doing that nighttime, daytime, every time when you go shopping. So let's get on out of here and end this review. Ohio Fred, look, man, I got my air on. That's been on since as soon as that cold weather hit, like 4 months already. I'm gonna still ride my car like that. Well, I'm Fish. I had a good day. I got everything I need to do my work to get started. I talked about what I like and dislike and what I'm doing, what I'm not doing. Random stuff. On that note, I'm going to edit this stuff on a rainy and quiet day. Have a great day with your GoPro. It is not a GoPro Hero 11, but at least I got a Hero 10. Have a great day, everybody. See you on many other videos. I'm Fish.